Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if you have AppleCare warranty or not on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to Settings. And in your Settings page, what you can do is scroll down over here to General. And underneath General, you want to come up to the About. And then right here is the AppleCare Plus. Now if you click on it, it's going to tell us a little bit more. So it says, AppleCare Plus, your product is covered for eligible hardware repairs and service. Estimated expiration date is June 19th, 2021. So that is everything to check the coverage. And here's another feature that I like to use. If you ever wanted to find out anything that belongs or that could be underneath settings like display or battery, one thing I like to do is just scroll down, and underneath the search settings you could just type anything in, such as battery or display. This is if you're not sure how to get to certain functions or features or settings on your iPhone. You can do privacy, and then you could just press search. So that is everything. I hope you do enjoy the video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.